Is your Spectrum modem's reset button not working? You're not alone. This often happens with Spectrum modems, especially older models. Before diving in, understand there are two types of resets: soft resets and factory resets. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory and fixes minor glitches. This addresses issues like slow speeds or dropped connections. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the modem to its original settings, wiping out all custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords. Only do this if a soft reset doesn't work. Remember that a reset button may not work, as it is a pogo pin switch prone to failure. Always check your modem model on Spectrum's website, as button behavior can differ. If the physical reset button consistently fails, try using the My Spectrum app if available. This app often allows you to remotely perform a soft reset, bypassing the need for the physical button. App-based resets have become increasingly common and reliable. Also ensure your modem has the latest firmware updates from Spectrum, as these updates often fix hardware glitches and improve performance. As we move forward, expect to see more AI-driven solutions where modems can self-diagnose and reset without any user input, reducing the reliance on physical buttons. If all else fails and your modem is still under warranty, contact Spectrum for a free replacement. A failing reset button could indicate a more serious hardware issue that needs professional attention.